Chemistry!
Ryan Wall.
Water comes into contact with a metal, an oxidization process occurs. On the surface of the metal, a reduction process occurs. Iron loses 2 electrons, becoming iron 2 plus when it is oxidized. Oxygen dissolved in water receives electrons to form hydroxide ions, and reduction occurs. Iron 2 plus combines with hydroxide ions to form iron 2 hydroxide, which is then oxidized by oxygen in the air that then forms rust and corrodes the metal.
Connor Mays.
Okay, so during the corrosion process now, first off, you want to start with iron to begin with. Iron is oxidized. Here, let me get my sheet out right here. So it's gonna be on the first equation, it's gonna be F E and then Fe 2 plus now, and then it's gonna have 2 electrons plus its voltage, which is gonna be 0.44. Now it needs to be a positive so it could be a spontaneous thing. Now we're gonna, for the corrosion to happen with iron, we need to add oxygen because oxygen needs to be present for this. Now now we are gonna add O2 plus H2O and then which is gonna go to OH minus negative. Okay, so there you have it. That's the first equation you're gonna have. Now for the second equation, you're gonna have to oxidize. This time you're gonna oxidize copper because it's less likely to be an oxidized agent compared to iron. So we're gonna write down Cu arrow Cu2 plus and then plus 2 electrons. Now we're going to add the voltage, which is going to be now plus 0.34. Alrighty, and then now you're going to see now iron again, which will be reduced this time to Fe 2 plus, and then we're going to add 2 electrons, 2, then you're going to add, goes the arrow, Fe. Now we're going to add up both voltages here, and so we're going to add up 0.44 and 0.34, and you're going to get 0.78, and that will be your overall voltage. Alrighty, hope you liked this video, and please subscribe. to you, Nunu. Back to you, Andrew.
So when copper mixes with water, it becomes an oxidizing agent, and oxidizing agents lose electrons. So Cu is going to go to Cu plus, and is going to be the oxidization, and the reduction is going to be the oxygen in the water. So oxygen, so O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 electrons goes to 4OH minus, and the oxidation is loss, so the Cu is losing an electron and becoming positive, and then reduction is gain, so the oxygen is gaining electrons. So over here, when the two combine, they form Cu plus because the oxidation is loss, so it becomes a plus, and 2OH minus because the oxygen is gaining 2 negative hydrogens because it is gaining it's losing electrons. So that goes to CuOH2, and that's when rust is formed.